Ever dreamt of turning your short stories into captivating videos, but lacked the artistic skills or budget? Midjourney, the revolutionary AI image generator, is about to become your new best friend today. We'll transform your written words into a visual masterpiece in just a few simple steps. First, break down your story into key scenes for each scene. Craft a detailed prompt describing the desired image. Think about the characters, setting, mood, and any specific actions taking place. The more detail, the better the results. Next, input your prompts into Midjourney. Experiment with different variations of the same prompt to get diverse results. Don't be afraid to use keywords like cinematic lighting, photorealistic, or fantasy art to refine the style. Once Midjourney generates your images, upscale the ones you love and create variations to find the perfect visual representation for each scene. Now, import your chosen images into your favorite video editing software, like CapCut or Adobe Premiere Rush. Arrange them in chronological order to match your story's narrative. Add subtle transitions between images to create a smooth flow. Consider using dissolves, fades, or simple wipes. Layer in background music or sound effects to enhance the emotional impact of each scene. Choose tracks that complement the mood and pacing of your story. And there you have it. With Midjourney and a little video editing magic, you've transformed your short story into a stunning visual experience. Share your creations with the world and let your imagination soar. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI-powered storytelling tips.